How much time do you have left? Let's talk about it. What's good? My name is Jadarius, or Jay, and I'm here to make your life better today. A lot of us look at time as if we have all of it and we're, man, I don't feel like doing this today, I'll go ahead and do it tomorrow. And the scary truth is that we don't know when all that sand will pour it at the bottom of the glass. The scary thing about life is that the people that were here yesterday, they aren't here today, and the people here today won't be here tomorrow. Life can go at the blink of an eye. How would you feel if you died prematurely, not achieving goals that you wanted, not obtaining things that you wanted out of life, not facing your fears or taking risks? How would you feel if you died with not doing any of it? We have to get away from this thinking that I'll just do this tomorrow. I'll put it off right now and I'll do this tomorrow. Tomorrow is an illusion. You don't know if tomorrow exists for you. And that's what makes life scary. We gotta stop wasting time. We gotta stop procrastinating, putting off stuff that we would like to achieve, that we would like to do. We gotta do it now because tomorrow ain't guaranteed. There's a lot of things that's guaranteed, and tomorrow ain't one of them. Stop putting off things that you want to achieve in life. Stop putting off things that you would like to obtain and get, Stop putting that off. Get on it right now. Right now is the best time to do the things that you want to do. It was Martin Luther King that said that time is always right to do what is right. Now is the time for you to do the things that you want to do. If you want to become a chef, start on that now. Don't wait till the timing is right. If you want to start a channel, the time is now. The time is right now. Don't wait till you have all your equipment, till you have everything right. That was what my problem was. I was procrastinating on doing this channel. I was waiting to put my face behind this camera because I was waiting for the timing to be right. I've been putting this channel off for 2 years. And the reason why I started this year is because I told myself this will be my first time having some kind of regret if I put it off again for the 3rd year straight. And I won't allow that to happen. That's the mindset you need to have. You can't allow yourself to put off things thinking that you're gonna do it. Oh, I'm gonna do it the next day, or I'm gonna do it next year. That's not guaranteed. The time is always right when the thought is fresh. When the thought is fresh, you have that momentum to keep going. If you just put something off, you lose that vision of that thing of what you want to achieve. You lose that vision and you lose that momentum of just going after what you want. That's why the time is always right to do what is right. Listen, man, you gotta live every day as if it's your last, because one day it will be. Now, I had a friend, this made me laugh because it wasn't going in the direction where I thought he was gonna go. He said his granddad told him that if somebody do you wrong, do them worse. And at first when I looked at it, because he had posted it, I was dying laughing because I ain't never heard nobody say nothing like that. After I came to my senses, I realized you can't direct your life getting back at someone for doing you wrong. You gotta move past that. Life is too short to be trying to get revenge on someone who did you wrong. Oh, another thing, stop worrying about these negative opinions that others have of you. Let me ask you a question. Why would you even waste a second, a minute, an hour, a day, a week, a year? Why would you waste any of that time trying to confront somebody when you can never get that time back? That time is gone forever. You can never make up for that time that you lost. That's valuable time you lost trying to confront somebody when you could have been using that time being productive, focusing on your goals and dreams. Don't waste your time. Don't give up your time to others who always got something negative about you. You will never get that time back, so don't waste it. The time is always right to do what is right. Don't allow fear to keep you away from chasing greatness, obtaining the things that you want out of life. If you want to know how to get rid of fear, I got some videos of that now. If you allow fear to box you in a comfort zone, knowing that you had this great amount of potential to do things that you wanted, you're going to regret that at some point. And by then it's going to be too late. You're going to be ran out of time. Don't allow fear to keep you boxed in into a cocoon when you have the ability to fly. I just wasted 5 seconds of your time that you can never get back. How much of your time have you been wasting when you could have been using that time to face fears, chase goals, and take risks? I hope that put in perspective how much time you've been wasting, because now is the time to use your time wisely. So again, I ask you the question, how much time do you have left? If you enjoyed your time with me, please subscribe, like, comment ways you use your time wisely, share this video, and turn them notifications on so I can continue to provide you with mental wisdom, motivation, and entertainment. Peace.